Hi guys, this is Steve Crypto from Goshen Arbitrage and Crypto Trading Platform. So this is my Binance account. Today, like I promised, I'll be teaching you how to trade Naira for BTC, how to trade Naira slash BTC pair on spots. That is to say, when the BTC comes down, you take advantage, you use your Naira to buy, and when it goes up, you sell your BTC to USDT, then you convert back to Naira for profit. So this is my Binance, my Binance account now. You can see it is still loading. The network is a bit slow. So this is the home. This is the home. So this is the home. Then first thing to do, we'll come to trade. Clicked on trade. Now you see in the previous video, this is USDT to Naira. I taught you how to buy what they call it, how to buy USDT using Naira when the price is down, and sell when it is high. So we are not doing that today. You come to this place, we'll be doing BTC NGN. So BTC NGN, so you type, let's say you type NGN. So you can see here we have BTC NGN. So you can take advantage of this. Now that BTC is actually down, you can see this is BTC. Now, the essence of this trade is for you to deposit Naira first. Then when you deposit Naira, when the price of BTC comes down, you buy. Then when the price of BTC, because BTC is a volatile coin, so it fluctuates easily. So even more than the dollar. So when the BTC goes up, you sell your BTC for USDT, which is a stable coin, and you get back your Naira as a profit. Okay, now this is what we do. We come to this chart. So you can see this chart. This is let's use a 1 week chart. Okay, this is a 1 week so that you can see it clearly. You can see that each candle here represents a week. Let me go through this. Each candle here, each bar here represents a week. So we are in this week now. You can see the value of this week. You can see BTC is around 23,720,844. Now today, let's click it. So today the lowest value of BTC is 21,500, and the highest value for just this week, rather, because this is a weekly candle, is 24,240,000. 24,240,000. So you can see the BTC normally fluctuates. You can imagine how BTC to Naira fluctuation occurred. So like I was saying, if you check this candle, this third candle that has a long spike, that was 3 weeks ago. BTC volatility was very high, in so much that it reached 122,866,640. You can see it. And the lowest value for that week, let's see, the lowest value for that week is 25,450,000. You can see the difference from 122 to 25,000. So much volatility, so between Naira and BTC. So now imagine if you have your Naira already deposit on Binance. I'll be showing you that, although I have a video that showed. I will drop the link in the description, and kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can follow up all the updates I have for you. So if you have bought imagine if you have bought BTC at 24 million, then when it goes up, you sold that BTC, that BTC back to USD, then convert to Naira. This kind of range, you have made so much money. So without further ado, let me show you how to go about it. Okay, now this is go back to the home. So when you're at the home, you see it's not displaying well. I don't know why. Okay, now back to the home page. This is our home page. So this is already our home page. We're already back at the home page. So to put in Naira, to deposit Naira, so you can wait for those fluctuations to trade BTC to NGN pair on Binance spot trade. Now you deposit, you click deposit. This is it, deposit fiat. So let's allow it to load. Okay, it has loaded, you can see. So deposit fiat. Now you are in this country, you are in Nigeria, so you deposit naira. So this is naira. So other countries, you can take advantage of this in as much as you can deposit naira via bank transfer. So in Nigeria, we can deposit naira via bank transfer. That's by the way. So you see bank transfer or e-wallet. So we are using bank transfer for this particular one. So we come to continue. Okay, now it's telling us to deposit. So let's say we are depositing 100,000. So if you are depositing 100,000, you'll be receiving 99,700. So your charges will be 300 naira. So now why are we depositing? So that we can wait. We can wait with our balance on the spot trade to purchase BTC when it comes down. Then when it goes up, we sell the BTC back to dollar. The BTC we have purchased when the BTC came down with naira, we sell the BTC back to naira. Then the BTC back to USDT. Then from USDT we change it back to what? Naira. In that way we'll be profitable. So now we'll continue this deposit. So I have a video for live trade for this particular kind of deposit, to deposit naira to Binance. I have a video for it, so the link will be in the description also. So I just want to give us an overview. Okay, the cash link has loaded. So you see, they say please do not use crypto related term or crypto bundle or Binance in your transfer reference. So you don't need to put any description as crypto, Binance or anything. You can just put your name there. You can just put your name or leave it blank. Now, so cancel. Now you will send 100,000. So when you send 100,000, you will be credited 99,700. Take note of that. Then when you have sent the money, now how do you send the money? You see, you scroll up, you see this is Mary Martins, okay, and Stanbic Bank. This is the account number. So you credit this lady, then you come here and click I have paid. Immediately you wait, and Binance will cash link will confirm, then Binance will deposit that money to your spot wallet, to your what? Spot wallet. So I'll show you how that is being done now after. Now this is contact. In case you want to chat the merchant to see if the person is online, you can just click here and chat. If you want to call the person to tell him that you have already paid, now you can upload your receipt here too. You can just click this one and you copy or not automatically. You can see you click, you copy automatically, you go to your dialer and dial it. So when you are done paying, take note of the time. You can see, take note of the time. You understand? With this kind of payment, because Binance is the escrow here, you are secured, your money is secured. Then you click what? I have paid before the time runs out. Then after you have paid, it will be credited to your account. So I'm not doing a live trade. I just want to show you how to make profit, how to trade BTC to NGN pair to make profit. Now this is it. So we are going to cancel. Then I'll show you where you see your money. So cancel this trade. Canceling this. Okay, now I've closed that trade. Now when you come to your spot wallet. You come to your spot wallet to confirm the deposit. You come to spot. Then you come to naira. You see, this is your naira. Then you click naira. Then you see the history of deposit you have done. The history of deposit. See, I've sold, I have bought. You have seen, I have bought, I've sold. So this is it. This is where you see the history of your deposit. Right? You can see this one that I'm currently doing now is still processing. So I will need to cancel it. So after you have deposited naira, then you come to trade. Like I told you before, you come to what? Trade. You come to trade. Then trade loads, you change here to BTC NGN, and you come to buy. So you put it, you can set a limit order. Limit order means you want it to come to a particular price, at a price that you want to buy. But if the price is okay at that time, let's say the BTC is down already, well, you can know from the home page. Let's come to the home page where you see dollar and dollar to BTC. So for one BTC we have $26,288. Now if BTC comes down, you can even check the chart for dollar. Let's see dollar BTC. So there was actually a dip. That is, there was actually a fall for BTC from around 29,000 down to 25,166. So let's say you caught this particular activities, this market fluctuation, then when BTC was 25,166 dollar, you can just take note and come back to this place, deposit naira, then you come back to your trade, then you deposit naira, then you buy BTC at that time. So when you buy BTC, you just put your amount. You see, I have this my amount of naira, 20 naira, so you can just put amount of BTC, let's say amount of naira, let's say 100,000. Then this is the amount of BTC they'll be giving you, but you see I have insufficient fund for that now. So after you have bought, the BTC will be credited to your wallet. Then when the price of BTC, you always watch the market. I'll show you where to watch it. This is it. Let's say when the price of BTC goes up, then you can now sell your BTC to your dollar. And to sell your BTC to your dollar, you come to trade, then you come to this place, then you type USDT BTC. USDT, let's just say you type USDT BTC. Okay, let's just complete the typing. So it will come out now. So you can see BTC USDT. So you can just click it, BTC USDT. So that's your BTC that you have bought with Naira now will be here. Then you can now sell. Now you are selling it. You can sell it. You can come to sell. When you come to sell, you need to see, if you want to sell at the market price, you sell at market. If you want to put a limit order means when it gets to that particular price that you set, it will sell. Then you can just adjust your price here. You can see you can clean this one and adjust your price. But now we want to sell, let's say with the market price. Then you come to this place, market price, right? So you now put the amount of BTC you have to sell, let's say 100%. Then you now click sell. Immediately the dollar equivalent will be credited to your account. So immediately the dollar is credited to your account, you can check your wallet. This is your wallet. You can check your wallet. You see the amount of dollar in your spot. You come to spot, you see the amount of USDT here in your spot. And when you see it, then you come to trade. To get it back to Naira, we come to P2P. Then there are plenty merchants. Okay, there are plenty merchants that want to buy your USDT, but now that want to you want to buy your USDT, but you are selling, so you come to sell. Then you see plenty merchants. You can see they're selling at, somebody's even selling at 950, somebody's selling at 908. You can see different people. So use the ones that are verified and sell. Then you receive the money in your bank account. Anyways, I will show you how to do P2P trade in the next video. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button, share this video, and give me a comment of the next type of video you want me to send to you. I remember it's one of my followers, and I hope you have subscribed. He told me that he remembered me of posting the BTC NGN tutorial. So let me know what you want to learn in crypto, in arbitrage, in anything in trading. So I will do well to do the video for you. So with that explained, I believe you understand how to set up, deposit your how to deposit Naira, then prepare to buy BTC when BTC drop. Now BTC is down, it's a time to accumulate. So, and in case you want to learn how to trade the futures trade and the spot trade, you want to learn it properly, you can see a link to my WhatsApp chat, my WhatsApp and my Telegram group in the description. Anything that is not in the description or that shows my comment as the author is not me. So beware of scammers. So you can come there, and I have a premium package, and it's very affordable for you to learn how to trade. I don't see the reason why you start trading without a basic knowledge or an ample knowledge from an expert. And I can tell you, I've been in the industry for over 3 years now, and I have a good grasp of what you need. Okay, thank you. Remember, kindly subscribe, hit the notification button, share and like the video, and as well let other people know how to use this medium to make money for themselves. Thank you.